welcome back to my channel. It's your girl T. I'm sure that everyone has probably been taking a break and doing this. I don't think everyone has, but I have. There's a lot going on. You know, there is the quarantine still happening. There is Black Lives Matters happening. So yeah, I've been doing like protests and just taking like a mental health break. My daughter's birthday party had just passed, which I'm not sure if I'm gonna post the vlog for that before or after this, but I do have a vlog for that, so we'll be keeping you guys posted on that. She is 3 now. Like, what? Am I old? I'm like, I get that. Anyway, so yeah, during all of this, I just have been trying my best to take care of my own mental health while taking in and consuming in all of this information, everything that's been going on, and it's really been a lot. Like, I can't make this up. So in the process of me trying to deal with my own emotion and feelings, I decided that I wanted to start to change the aesthetics of my room. I just want my room, there's no such thing as being too black, but my room is just too black. You know what I mean? Like, I feel like sometimes I have to take down my blackout curtains because it's just so dark in my room. All of my furniture is black. So the aesthetics that I now want to do is I want to do black, white, and like stainless steel, silver, gray, so metallic, like my vanity that's back here, which I don't know why I never put this in my video, but my vanity is back. So yeah, kind of going off of like my vanity back there that I built, which I'll post a video if y'all want that. The silvery colors. So the first thing I wanted to do is to take care of this very big wall of space that I have above my dresser. Basically, I started doing my room and then I just quit like a year ago, but I want to get back into this and I want to finish it. So I do have some things and some courses of action. Course of me having a midlife crisis, I'm like, let me go ahead and start doing some paintings. Like, I be painting on my face. Yeah, like, so that's basically what's happening. I'm trying to I'm having a little bit of a midlife crisis, and I figure, you know, the best thing to do would be to do these paintings. So I'm attempting to do some pour painting. I've seen multiple people doing this recently. What's the worst that can happen? You know what I mean? So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the wall. I'm gonna show y'all what I got, all the supplies and all of that. And then we're gonna get into this now because I know it needs to dry for a while. I've really been looking into this for like a week, so let's switch the camera, okay? Okay, so this is the wall that I'm trying to cover. If you look here, you see I have my dresser. These windows are down right now just for lighting's sake, but I do usually have up 2 blackout curtains, you know, 4 panels, 2 blackout curtain sets right there. So I have this huge wall area, right? And I've just been leaving it blank for all of this time, but it needs something there, okay? Like, it needs something. So I bought 3 of these. Let me turn my light. I got 3 of these. These are 18 by 24 panels. I've already started to set up what I'm doing. I just have 2 plastic trash bags that I cut open because I forgot to get all the stuff that I need. But yeah, this is basically, in my head, what I want to do is 2 that are extremely similar. So I'm gonna do these pour paints at the same time, and then once those dry, I'm gonna do this one separately with either more white or more black, depending. I'm not sure yet. Yeah, so yeah, again, these are 18 by 24. I'm gonna show you guys all of the things that I currently have for this. Okay, some popsicle sticks. We got some cups that we need to pour. This is just literally from like the kids' parties. So cups that we have for all of the colors, plus an additional cup that I'm using to mix everything and to dump it, right? I got some flakes of silver because I just know what I want. I don't know. I just know. I think I want to add this in here. I'm not sure where. This is pouring medium. This is for the paint. Allegedly, this helps your stuff not crack. You're supposed to mix this in with the water and the paint. We're gonna figure this out because I don't really know. I don't really know how to do it. I got some white acrylic paint, and then I got 2 black acrylic paints because I just knew that that's what I needed. And I also got a metallic silver color that I think I'm gonna use. And then last but not least, which I guess this was like optional because other people have just been dumping the paint, but because I didn't get a ton of paint, it actually makes sense that I'm doing it this way. This stuff is called gesso, 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 okay? This isn't white. You're supposed to paint the canvas first so that the paint has things to adhere to. I seen after watching more extensive videos, but I had already gone shopping, that people typically just pour paint down onto the canvas first, let that, like they do a light coat, but we conserve and paint here. So anyways, I'm gonna do this first, and then once that semi dries, I'm gonna start mixing the colors together so that we can do this pour paint. Okay, so let me put it on camera so we can do that, okay?
Hold your breath, all the moves we're making. Scared to death, and the ground is shaking. Oh boy, you got me really good. It's up to you, treat me like you should. Music's something you adore. Now I'm looking everywhere for you, 'cause I need another dance, I need another chance. I'm waiting for a sign. Waiting for a sign. Not okay, leaving me like this. You let it slip away, and later on we kiss. Oh boy, you got me really good. Don't you realize I see right through your disguise? Music's something you record. I was hoping for another dawn. Now I'm looking everywhere for you, 'cause I need another dance, I need another chance. Waiting for, waiting for, waiting for a sign. Waiting for a sign. Just waiting for a sign.
Okay guys, so this is my first one. I don't know. I know that I did not want this much gray. Oh god. So this is going to be my middle one. I think I'm going to do the other two with just less gray. I didn't sign up for that much. It really like separated and did a lot very quickly. Which is cool. Like I really like this spot right here. It's cute. It's really okay. It's cute. I'm gonna do significantly less silver on this one and the other one.
It's up to you. Treat me like you should. Music's something you adore. Now I'm looking everywhere for you. 'Cause I need another dance. We need another chance. I'm waiting for a sign. Waiting for a sign. Not okay, leaving me like this. You let it slip away, and later on we kiss. Oh boy, you got me really good. Don't you realize I see right through your disguise? Music's something you adore. I was hoping for another dawn. Now I'm looking everywhere for you. 'Cause I need another dance. I need another chance. Waiting for. Waiting for a sign. Waiting for a sign. Just waiting for a
Okay guys, so it is the next day and y'all, I want to show you guys the finished paintings and just what my vision is and what I'm doing. I'm now gonna have to make this a series because I ordered a bunch of things off of Amazon that I want on my dresser. Let me just show you guys. So these are the paintings. Let me put the light on. So before y'all start judging me on how they are, just know, let me tell you what happened. So let me put a light on so you guys can see. My effing camera is about to die per usual. But no, they came out really well. So let's do one thing at a time. So I wanted water, clouds, and smoke. And I feel like I got that done. Like, they just look really good to me. Look at that. Oh my gosh, love it. Love it. This is personally my favorite part of all of the paintings. This is the third one I did because it's like, is this water or is this smoke? You feel me? We don't even know. We don't even know. So we got this one. This is the one I did off camera because my camera died. Sorry guys. And then this is my first one, which is a little janky, but I ended up really liking it too. So yeah, that's that. In terms of what's going on here and what I want to happen. So one, I lined all of these up to be this length. And then I put this up, which took literally took an hour and a half. And this is like the con of being a strong, independent black woman because I don't need all this. I really did not have a good time doing this. So after doing that, I realized that, oh God, I realized that I liked it better this low versus here where these two are. If you can see that. So now I need to put these two to match that one, to match this one, which is a completely extra task that I just don't feel like doing right now. I broke a nail hammering my own hands, so, and look, my wig is not down. I'm going to DC tomorrow, like I'm leaving at 10 a.m. So this is why I literally have to end the vlog here and just make this kind of like a series because I need to start vlogging for my trip and I need to now fix my nails, I need to do my toes, I need to leave my wig. It's a lot. I hope you guys enjoyed this series that I'm now starting. It's gonna be just different rooms and different parts in the house. I'm obviously starting in my room. I just have some tasks that I know that I need to do. I'm gonna try my best to film everything that I can. But yeah, that is the finished product. Let me show you guys one more time. They came out so cute. Let me show you guys just up close and personal. Each painting, I think they came out really well. This is the one that I did off camera. This is actually my personal favorite. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I feel like the actual painting itself came together, but I hope you guys can see this vision that I'm having here, like candles. I bought some things for this table. I actually really want to use these type of candles. I got these from Target a while ago and I cannot find them on their website, so I'm going to try to figure out what I can do to get some metallic stuff here. I also have to spray paint these black because they are brown. I don't know if you guys can even tell, but they're brown. So yeah, that is where we are. As always, make sure you guys go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe to your girl. Next time you see me, I will be a baddie, okay? Because we're about to start that process. I have a lot to do in all of the rooms. I have so many ideas I've been writing down. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you soon.